The World War II Soldiers Field Kit was not designed by a committee of preparedness enthusiasts optimizing for every conceivable scenario. It was designed by military logistics systems under the constraint that every item had to be carried by a human being on foot across variable and hostile terrain for extended periods, and that every item that did not contribute directly to survival and mission capability was a weight penalty paid in reduced mobility and increased fatigue. The result was a kit of extraordinary efficiency, each item multifunctional, each gram justified by specific operational necessity, and the total weight calibrated against the physical limits of sustained human movement in field conditions. The 2026 bug-out bag built without this constraint frequently reflects the opposite design philosophy: items added for every conceivable scenario, redundant capabilities in multiple heavy formats, gear selected for appearance and perceived comprehensiveness rather than for the specific mobility and survival requirements of the scenarios most likely to require the bag's deployment. The comparison between what a World War II soldier carried and what a modern prepper typically builds into a bug-out bag reveals not the superiority of historical simplicity over modern sophistication but the specific design disciplines that the military constraint imposed and that voluntary preparedness building frequently fails to replicate. The World War II soldier's mess kit is the most instructive single item in this comparison. A single piece of stamped steel, folding handle, pan and cover configuration, served as cooking vessel, eating surface, drinking container, and in extremis, digging tool and signal mirror. The total weight was under 500 grams. The total function coverage was remarkable, every food preparation and consumption need addressed in a single item that weighed less than most modern water bottles. The design discipline it represents, single items covering multiple functions, weight justified by breadth of application, is the organizing principle that the most functional modern bug-out systems apply and that most consumer-marketed preparedness kits abandon in favor of specialized single-function items. The World War II soldier's field ration, designed to provide caloric adequacy for a soldier under physical load, was similarly constrained by the weight per calorie requirement that the need to carry the food imposes. High calorie density, minimal preparation requirement, and weight minimization were the design criteria. The modern emergency food supply that best applies these criteria is freeze-dried preparation, maximum caloric density at minimum weight, minimal preparation requirement, long shelf life that supports prepositioning rather than rotation management. WWII's emergency food supply, 120 servings, up to 25-year shelf life, freeze-dried, provides the caloric coverage for an extended disruption from a weight and storage format that the World War II ration engineer would recognize as the correct application of the same constraint logic. The link is in the description. The modern tactical kit that incorporates the World War II discipline of multifunctional items, weight justification, and the specific capability requirements of realistic scenarios is the 262-piece survival kit, with first aid kit pouch, crossbody bag, tent, axe, survival shovel, and comprehensive gear, that covers the health, shelter, tools, and mobility categories in a coordinated system rather than as individual items accumulating weight without corresponding function coverage. The link is in the description. The shocking comparison between the World War II kit and the 2026 bag is not that the World War II kit contained items we would not use today. It is that the design discipline that produced it, weight justified by specific function, every item multifunctional, total weight calibrated against mobility, is absent from most modern bug-out bag builds, and the bags that result are heavier, less functional, and more likely to be abandoned when the weight becomes a liability than the kit that 75 years of military logistics refinement had already solved. Subscribe to InTheBeginning. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.